How can I architect my solution so that when outages occur, when there's a failure in a system or perhaps the network that connects me to that system, that my overall system can still deliver value in a reliable way? Well, the good news is that Gloo Edge fits hand in glove with the best practices for both Envoy and Kubernetes around ensuring overall system availability. Here's some of the highlights. 1, deploy to multiple availability zones. 2, spin up as many Envoy replicas as you need to support the data plane. Now, the good news is you probably won't need as many as you think. We have Gloo Edge users who are supporting many thousands of requests per second using a single Envoy instance. But you don't need to do the same thing with the control plane. So one of the nice things about the Gloo Edge architecture is that we can scale the data plane and the control plane completely independent of one another, which is not something that a lot of alternatives in the marketplace can say. So you can have a data plane processing thousands of requests per second with multiple instances, but then have a very small number of control planes that support that suite of data planes. Also, you need to protect yourself against bad configuration. This is especially important in large team, multi-project environments where you don't want to have teams interdependent on each other such that one team's bad configuration brings down the whole proxy. And so you want to be sure and set those configuration settings in a way that, that Gloo Edge will continue to operate with the last known good configuration. Even if someone pushes bad configuration in, it won't be accepted. Finally, you should follow best practices around monitoring and alerting. Be sure to enable access logging to capture any request that comes in across the boundary of the system. And integrate with your own enterprise observability platforms like Datadog or Splunk. These really help quite a bit in terms of understanding at a comprehensive level what's going on inside your application network. If you follow these common sense guidelines as they're outlined in our production readiness guide, you should have little trouble standing up a reliable cloud-native API gateway with Gloo Edge.